We're doing the room tour. I'm on deck 7. I'm at room 543. It's an inside room. I'm singing solo. And there is my room card right there. Alright, we're gonna tag it. Let's take a look. Oh, there it is. Alright, let's hit the light. Okay, so let's take a look. We got a little easy chair here. Okay. We got a king bed. Power sockets on both on one side. Okay. Lots of drawer space. A TV. We'll see about that. Let's see. We should have power sockets here. Big mirror. Of course, we have the chiller. Got some water. Thank you. Hair dryer, Kleenex in the trunk drawer. And there's this open drawer space. Got a mirror over there. I've got a mirror right there. We have, yeah, right there. Closet space. The safe is right there. More drawers. And then let's take a look at the rug. We have a nice big glass shower with to provide toiletries. We have a good sink. Oh, good size sink there. Okay, and then of course we have the mirror, and so that's it. And so that is a very quick tour, okay, of room 7543 on Odyssey of the Seas. And here is our deck, right there. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and as always, guys, have a great day. Look, electronic thermostat's right there. Okay. All right, let's get this thing going. Bye now.